Hello again guys. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to share your favorite song from Spotify to Snapchat. First let's quickly check if Spotify is updated. Open App Store or Google Play Store and find Spotify. If there is a button update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds. Now head over to Spotify. Search for your song. Play it. In the top right corner, click on the three dots. List of options will show up. Find an option called Share. Below your song you can see all the applications where you can share your song. We are choosing Snapchat. Click on the Snapchat icon. Now Snapchat will open, so you can share your song with a link. That will be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.